Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli ki di mabanabat ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang ni kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat ki jimpen na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Kecingci di ekonomi khmat si kayeng darbar thawan ke jela menta ka sa stang prabanai bat ka parti kongres ru kala pangkreba baleng ba karai ban mi khmat ban khun ni election ha char fly daw president ka mekhlia pradesh congress committee uba bensen ajpala bakan long muka nuksa bo nong ïalam ïalam na khmat ka parti hakati ki khun ni election habai kran ba kilat patai khobor ba pala loi thu ba ka parti kongres kam chubun bana lapa yanu ban long menteri rangba But Kikurtong given a khun Congress, Bunkinde Kidurkmat, but my.
I'm preparing to fight election because I thought that, as a president, I should lead from the front. So that who should be a chief minister, that normally a party, we don't decide before the
We don't
election.
decide.
But I'm fighting election because I thought that I should lead from the front and I should set an example. Though I'm very happy to be an MP, but at the same time, we have to look also at the state. So my decision to fight elections is not my decision alone. All my friends suggested to me that you should also fight an election. I think AITC as a party, people, the voters of this state knows which party is for the betterment of their future, especially in the high rise in terms of unemployment is very high. And people knows which party is good. So we respect any party, we respect anybody who come and contest. And I personally feel that AITC will have their own role, will have our own role. So which party will be affected, I think it's only after we cross the bridge we will know.
Nakaliang Manish Chatrat, but the secretary but the page Egala Meklia, Hadin Bladon Kitchen Talk, Allo Chimti, Bapala, President MPC, Long Bapala, Umde Boana Delhi, Henry Ude Brio Nakachala Meklia.
I had told this earlier also. Some people had some problem with specific person. But Mr. Pala has not come from Delhi, you all have to understand. He has been in the cabinet in the Government of India, Union Government of India, number 1. And he is a third time MP. So you don't become an MP like this. In spite of we getting less number of seats in 2019, he is still insured out of those 52 seats which we got. And he was one of the victorious candidates. So he is not anybody coming from Delhi. He is the man of Meghalaya. He is your own man. I don't want to give you any examples. I can give you example right now here. There were people with no political background, no seat, nothing, and they formed the governments. You must have seen in different states. But we are one of the oldest party. We have our organization intact. We have our vote base also. And I know that end of the day, the people of this beautiful state are looking for a change and they love Congress.